This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Myra Spano. Seriously beautiful brick rancher, located on a prime corner lot in the heart of the Virginia Beach area. Modernly updated with just about everything new. Spacious living areas, all tastefully finished, shows loving maintenance and pride of ownership. Enjoy the tasteful craftsmanship in a renovated home. Beautiful new kitchen with stainless steel appliance package, granite countertops and touchless faucet, new bathrooms, new windows with lifetime warranty, fully upgraded plumbing and electrical, lots of storage and partially fenced in backyard ready for relaxing in or outdoor entertaining with neighborhood playground in the backyard. It's a gorgeous hidden gem, move-in ready, clean and sparkling. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Spano at 757-563-3110.